Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a powerful tool for any business developer, online surveys. While one-on-one interviews are essential for understanding the why behind customer needs, online surveys are what allow you to get the bigger picture. They help you validate your assumptions, quantify problems, and spot market trends at scale. So what are online surveys good for? They help you quantify problems. For example, if you have a hypothesis about a specific area, you can ask how often people experience a particular problem to see if a pain point affects many people, or you can get users to select from a range of problems in order to quantify issue areas. They help with market sizing, so you can estimate the size of your potential audience and the demand for your solution. They're great for feature prioritization, letting you identify which features are most important to the majority of your audience. And they allow you to build a demographic profile, giving you a better understanding of who your customers are beyond just one or two interviews. It's important to know what surveys are not good for. They won't uncover new, unknown problems, and they rarely give you the deep, nuanced understanding you get from a conversation. Think of them as a way to supplement your one-on-one interviews, not replace them. So, once you're ready to get started, what kind of questions should you ask? First, focus on getting a good mix of both quantitative and qualitative data. You can start with demographic questions to understand who is responding. Ask about their age range, industry, or job title. Next, use problem validation questions. This is where you can use a frequency scale like how often do you experience this problem, or a frustration scale from 1 to 5. You'll also want to include problem or solution related questions, such as how much they would value a solution to any problems they perceive that they have. And finally, ask questions about the competitive landscape. Find out what similar products they've used and what they like or dislike about them. When writing your questions, remember these key best practices. Keep it short. Aim for a survey that takes no more than 5 to 10 minutes to complete. This will dramatically increase your completion rate. Keep it simple. Use clear, straightforward language and avoid jargon. Avoid leading questions. Don't bias your results. Instead of asking, "Don't you agree that X is a problem?" ask, "How big of a problem is X for you?" And always make sure your survey is mobile optimized. Most people will be responding on their phones. So, you have your survey designed, but what tools should you use and how do you get people to fill it out? For free and budget-friendly options, you can't go wrong with Google Forms. It's easy to use and integrates seamlessly with Google Sheets. You can also try Typeform for a more engaging, one question at a time design. For more advanced features and higher response volumes, paid plans from SurveyMonkey or platforms like Qualtrics are great options. Now for the hardest part, getting a good number of people to respond. The best place to start is your existing network. Share the survey with your personal contacts, email list, and on your social media profiles. You can also post in relevant online communities like industry-specific subreddits, Facebook groups, or Slack channels. Just be sure to read the group rules first to avoid spamming. If you have a bit of a budget, running targeted ads on social media is often the most effective way to reach a high volume of relevant respondents quickly. And a great way to boost your response rate is to offer a clear incentive. This could be a small gift card, a raffle for a larger prize, or even early access to your product. You could also offer to share the survey results with them once they are compiled. By strategically using online surveys, you can move beyond anecdotal evidence and build a data-driven foundation for your startup's success. Thanks for watching.